Hi, how you doing? It's your counselor again. Hope you're having a great year. Last week, I talked about how we're going to make 2024 the best year of our lifetime. And indeed, the year is moving great. And today I have a few more prophecies for 2024 that I've had over my experience as a counselor with my own life and some other experiences that I've talked to other people about 2024 being an even year. There is something great about an even year, and I went around to talk to quite a number of people using my own experience, and I wanted to get people's experiences about this even year, about 2024, having come from a few challenges from 2020, 21, 22, now 23, and 2024, this very year. These are the prophecies that you don't want to miss out. I've talked to people and everybody's been saying this is a year of opportunities. It's a year of double everything. Everything is going to be double. Many of what has been prayed for will manifest this year, 2024. Many lost stuff, and whatever you lost in the previous year will come back. Many of the people that thought that what you're doing is not serious, what you're doing is not valuable, you're just joking around, will come to witness what God put on your life in 2024. This is why I'm here, to just give you the encouragement that whatever they've thought about you the wrong way, it's gonna come to manifest in 2024. Those that hated you, a lot of stuff have been happening about you. The relationships you lost will be mended this year. Financial breakthrough will come your way. I hope it happens to all of you who are following up on this channel, those who are hearing this message, so you become a living testimony, so you become a witness to this message that I'm speaking about, because 2024 is gonna be a year of seeing all of that happen before our own very eyes, before everybody, before our families, before our friends, this very year, 2024. This year is going to release a lot of stuff. A lot of blessings are going to come this year. Too many opportunities are going to be in this very year of 2024. What do you have to do? You have to prepare yourself. People are going to release money. People are going to release stuff. But only those who are prepared for this moment will be able to grab those blessings, those opportunities, and that's why I'm here. This is a prophecy for 2024 from a counselor. Prepare yourself. You're going to have a lot of opportunities. All of that is going to develop your life, your spiritual life, your personal life. You're going to grow to another level. And you're going to prepare yourself physically, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually. You know how you can prepare yourself physically? There's going to be some stuff that really need your energy. You're going to walk long journeys. All of those long journeys will be leading you to your destiny, to make profits, to make money. And spiritually, you know, you have to keep in the Word of God. You have to prepare yourself spiritually to handle stuff. There are going to be stuff that will really need you to keep dipped into prayer. That's how you're going to be able to handle that. And then emotionally, you're going to have to handle your emotions, prepare your emotions to handle big stuff, to handle a lot of opportunities coming your way. You can imagine if a stream is flowing northwards and there is little streams of water bringing into that, there's going to be congestion there. So you're going to prepare yourself emotionally, because those opportunities and blessings are going to be too much for you. But you are going to handle them because you've watched this video. Psychologically, you have to prepare yourself. Read stuff, read about everything, so nothing is new to you. Prepare your mental health every day. Keep reading, keep fighting, keep trying to look for knowledge and understanding of how things move and how scriptures move. That's going to help us to make 2024 to be our year. Myself, I prepare myself mentally and psychologically every day that I come to speak to you, everybody who is following me. And I know that when opportunities come this year, I'm going to be ready. Nothing is going to strike me unaware, because I'm preparing myself in those ways, physically, emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually. You're going to be keeping yourself spiritually awake so that nothing scares you. Nothing comes when you're unaware. And here's the caution. Amidst all those many opportunities that are going to come in this year of 2024, there's going to be many challenges to confuse you and make you look like a loser after all that long time of waiting for your dream, for your marriage, for your financial breakthrough, for your business to grow. Man, it's going to be so challenging. It's like if you don't prepare yourself in these 4 ways, you'll be like a runner, Sarah, who ran in our school in Army for Africa. All our hopes were on her. She ran and she beat up everybody for 15 times around the pitch. But the last time she was just maybe 3 meters away from the finish line. She fainted. That's what the enemy wants. You've been waiting for these many opportunities to come your way, and finally they have come. So he's trying to confuse you to make sure that you lose. You become a loser, you become ashamed, so that nobody believes in you. So people can continue to believe that you are a loser and you are not serious and you will never amount to anything. Those are lies. So we have to prepare ourselves in order to be able to grab these many opportunities in 2024. And also remember that as we're going to be moving in our life every day in 2024, there's going to be lions covered in wool, sheep wool, pretending to be opportunities. As I said, opportunities are going to be many. Even challenges are going to be many. All of those striking your chances. The lions are going to come with sheep wool, pretending to be opportunities. So how are you going to handle that? Be awake in the 4 ways I explained: spiritual, emotional, psychological, and physical. That's how you're going to be able to handle 2024. That's a prophecy that I want you at some point next year. We're going to be evaluating and seeing if we went through that. And most of all of you who are watching from around the world, I want to prepare you mostly spiritually awake and mentally awake in this year. A precaution, something that's going to help you. Have passion for your work. Show interest every day as you're getting back to work, as you're handling your customers. Respect your customers. Respect everybody. Change how you do things. Wake up early to go to work and come back late from work. Many people, the previous years, have been reluctant. You've been reluctant. You go to work at 9, you leave at 6. Man, things are going to have to change because these many opportunities, you've been waiting for them for a very long time. You didn't have many customers, but they are coming. Like I said, people are going to release money, release everything, because now they trust in the country. They trust in their circumstances. They've been out of a depression in Corona. Now they have stabilized in 2024. So be prepared to make new changes, to sleep less, to do things you have never done before. Things that people used to tell you that do this, do that, and you refuse. This year you're going to have to get out of your comfort zone and try that, so that you don't miss out on any of those opportunities that you've been waiting. The enemy is going to block so many opportunities, and we're even going to be tempted more because of these many opportunities. The more opportunities, the more challenges and obstacles, but we are ready. I'm preparing you mentally and spiritually to keep yourself in prayer and to keep yourself reading about everything. One of the other things we should do is to teach ourselves to make choices, always to have an informed decision. That decision that you want to do, anything you want to do, make an evaluation. And if it's spiritual, your spiritual has to play a role. And if it for Christians, I encourage you to keep yourself in prayer daily, every day. At my church, we have a daily Bible devotion that's going to help us through the whole year. So if you're spiritual, keep yourself in prayer and keep yourself spiritually alert, so you can be able to discern and help yourself when these challenges come your way. If you're just somebody, any normal person, prepare yourself mentally so you can be able to know these many traps when they come. And many times the devil or the enemies or the challenges, they come to you to make you feel ignorant about your life and about these many opportunities. But I promise you, whoever is watching this video is gonna keep a lot spiritually, emotionally, psychologically, and physically. So you don't miss out on any of the opportunities that are there in 2024, being an even year. And it's a year that we've gone through everything, and I promise you we're gonna reach some point and we're gonna have an evaluation and see what we have done, how far we've gone. This is amazing. That's why I'm very happy for my students who made a choice in 2024 to learn English on my channel called Learn Basic English in Luganda. I'm so happy for you for the decisions you've made for this year, and I just wish you good luck in all your endeavors that you're doing about learning Luganda, and anything that's just overwhelming. I encourage you to come to me as a counselor. I'll be there and I'll be waiting to help you in this new year of 2024. Lastly, I hope we put in practice whatever we've learned, whatever I've talked about, all the insights that I've talked about, that in summary, 2024 being an even year and being a year close to 2023, where we were just coming out of Corona and people were trying to mend their lives and all that. 2024 is going to be a stable year where we are going to move with many opportunities. I said, if you have your money financially, prepare yourself financially, economically, because opportunities are going to come that need you to invest in money, to invest in everything that you can. So I wish you a happy new year again, and I wish you good luck for 2024. Prepare yourself. Let's continue, and I'll keep sharing about one of the endeavors that I go through in 2024, and just update you about everything that might need to be changed a little bit and whatever has to happen and all of that. I thank you so much. If you saw this video helpful, please consider subscribing, following this channel, becoming a monthly member, and sharing to other people so we can continue to spread the hope. You can imagine if many people get a chance to hear this kind of message, they'll be spiritually alert, physically alert in many ways, and being able to know that amidst the many opportunities they're going to have, there's going to be obstacles. So we prepare ourselves so that we can continue. That's wonderful.